Good morning. Today in this video we're going to be talking about all of the things that are wrong with my 1999 Audi A8 Quattro. Welcome back to EYVO Auto. I'm Nate and this is what is wrong with my 99 Audi A8. You guys have been asking for more content on the A8, and so here it is. Here's some more content. Today I'm also going to be doing a repair. I've got a window in the back from B&R Auto Wrecking, and this is going to be replaced. So of course the first thing that's wrong with my Audi A8 has to do with its windows. The driver's side window had kind of a freak accident about 2 months ago. I had a rock flip up, and that little chip immediately within that week turned into a big long crack. So I don't dare roll my window down, although I am going to be doing it today to see if I could have been rolling it down this whole time. And yeah, we're going to pull this door panel. We're going to get that window off and fixed and addressed. And yeah, so that's kind of the first thing that's wrong with my Audi A8. So if you guys have not been following my channel, go back about a year and start watching videos when I first got this car. You will come to find out that I bought this car very, very broken. Yes, it's an A8, it's a Quattro, it's the D2 platform. They only made like 102,000 of these cars. It's pretty rare, which sucks for me because parts are hard to find, but great for you guys because you get to see content on the vehicle. But it was so broken that I have gone through the engine. I've done almost everything as far as gaskets are concerned on this car, and it's just been a lot of work to get this car back up and running. Now the internals of the engine and everything like major and super important are super clean, and we didn't have to do a lot there. It was just all of the gaskets and the rubbers in this car were completely toast and completely shot, so we ended up having to replace, you know, all of those. We did head gaskets, we did a timing belt job when we were in there, we put a new water pump in. I broke the starter, had to do a new starter. So this car's had a lot of work on it. I'm not gonna tell you everything we've done, I'm not gonna tell you the cost. Those are in old videos. So go and check out those old videos, because if you don't, you guys really are missing out. Yes, the video quality is not as good as it is now, but I think those videos are super valuable, especially if you have an A8 with the 4.2 in the 90s, because there's not a whole lot of content out there. So go watch those videos and consider subscribing to the channel, because I've got plenty more to come. The A8 also has a problem with the back window here. I think it's the window regulator, because no matter what you do, this switch, including the front switch, it always rolls it down. And very occasionally you can get it to come up, so after a while it rattles down and then you have to kind of mess with it, and you can usually get it to come back up. But that's the second thing that's broken on my Audi A8. Third thing that's broken on the A8 that is something a little bit more major is the bumper. Now, the kid that I bought this car from claims that he slid off the road and hit a tree, but the airbag light was also on when I got it, and I'm not entirely convinced that this damage could have come from a tree, simply because, you know, this cover is off, the cover on the other side's off, the cowl's all screwed up down there, and of course the rest of the bumper's falling off. So I have it wired on right now as a temporary fix. I've been looking for a wrecked car to get a bumper on, but of course it's rare enough that the only one I found is in Spokane, Washington, and it's black. And I could order a fiberglass one that's not painted. It would be a custom special order though, so it'd be like $700. And again, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that this car was only $700. So that's probably not the option that I'm going to go with right now. So it just stays wired on, and the car has a rustic look to it, to say. So the bumper is the third thing that's wrong. And then the fourth thing, of course, are these blinker light housings that are missing. I'll show you guys that again through my fancy wire here, but this housing's missing, the light bulb's completely exposed. You guys would be surprised how many light bulbs I go through with them like this. In fact, I have a bunch of those light bulbs right here in my door. Actually, I only have one left, but again, that's just because I go through plenty of those light bulbs, unfortunately. So that's another thing that's wrong with the A8, and something that I am actually hoping to fix. Now, they're like $45 a piece for that little housing. Again, because parts availability is limited for this car, and it is something somewhat rare. So unfortunately, yeah, that's not something I can get just super easily or find super easily, but I have found them for 45 bucks, which is a great deal, and I might be ordering them soon, so stay tuned to the channel. More A8 content on the way. Compared to the laundry list of things that this car had wrong with it when I first got it, really nothing is broken right now. But there are a few things that would make this car quite a bit nicer. For example, my cruise control does not work, which means that's our fifth thing that is broken with the Audi A8. Now, whether that's the cruise control module itself, the switches may be broken, or maybe it's the brake light switch or the brake switch telling it to turn off constantly, I do not know, but cruise control does not work. And even when you turn it on, there's no like light on the dash that comes on either, so it very well could be the switch. If it's the switch, I'm not going to fix it. If it's the module, I might fix it. And if it's the brake switch, of course, I might fix it as well. I am not someone that really uses cruise control. I enjoy driving. I really like to feel the road and have that control and power, but I have driven this car for 6 hours at a time once and 2 hours at a time once, and I drive it 60 miles every day. So cruise control would be kind of nice to have in that aspect, and that may be something coming to the channel very soon. So if your cruise control doesn't work in your D2, consider subscribing to the channel. Something else that I have noticed as the sixth thing that is wrong with my 99 Audi A8 is the alignment is still out. Now, when I got this car, the tie rods were completely shot, completely ruined. You guys know there was a big recall done on the tie rods on these cars. I didn't know that at the time. Plus, hey, they're only like $30. If you're changing them yourself, it's not really that big of a deal, but it still costs money, so do take it into Volkswagen, get it sorted out. I replaced both the tie rods, but we never did the alignment. We replaced the tie rods, the back brakes, and threw snow tires on this car and started driving it around with the massive oil leak and all sorts of other problems. So check out my other videos like I've said. But I never have had the alignment done. I have brand new summer tires on right now that have like 5,000 miles on them. And I do notice the front ones are feathering a little bit. So it's time to get the tires rotated. It has been 5,000 miles. Again, the car's 21 years old, so it's not going to be perfect. And the car does drive really, really good down the highway. There is a very slight vibration that I can feel at about 75, 80 miles an hour. And I don't know if that's related to the alignment, so there may be a seventh thing wrong with the Audi that I am currently not aware of. Of course, there's rattles and clacks and stuff that come from the front when you drive over bumps, but hey, it's 21 years old, it can't be perfect. And for the finale of things that are wrong with my 99 Audi A8, I actually got a letter from Audi themselves that isn't one that I'd hoped to receive. It says important safety information enclosed, which is kind of a relief because I know that it's not a cease and desist. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it now, and we're gonna see what else is wrong with my 99 Audi A8. This notice applies to your vehicle, 99 Audi A8. Yep, important safety recall information. A recall repair is not yet available. This notice has been sent to you in accordance with the National Traffic and Motor Vehicle Safety Act. Audi has decided that a defect that relates to your motor vehicle safety exists in certain Audi vehicles. Our records show that you are an owner of one of these vehicles. So the reason for this recall is TK Global, formerly known as Takata, has informed the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration that there is a possible safety risk for vehicles equipped with driver airbags containing a non-azide driver front airbag inflator. According to current findings, it is possible that over time due to other factors, maybe a 21-year-old car, a driver airbag containing this inflator may not function as intended when deployed. This could result in slow deployment or underinflation of the driver front airbag in a crash, increasing the risk of personal injury. To date, Audi is unaware of any occurrence worldwide involving an Audi vehicle equipped with the inflator in which the airbag did not function as intended. Audi is currently working diligently to develop a technical repair solution, and it will take approximately 1 year before a repair can become available. Okay, it's waited 21 years already, so I think it can wait a little while. Please do not contact your dealer. They do not yet have instructions or parts needed to perform the recall. Hey, we will send you another letter to let you know when you can schedule the repair with your dealer. Your safety and that of our passengers is our highest priority, and we are working to make a recall repair available as soon as possible. We apologize for any inconvenience this letter may cause. Sincerely, Audi Customer Protection. Super cool to get a letter from Audi. I actually thought it was quite funny when this letter showed up and said important safety recall information. Now, they have to send them out per law, but still, this vehicle is 21 years old. It's got 166,000 miles. I mean, something could still go wrong, right? That's so funny. Alright guys, so I'm going to post a picture of the safety recall on my Instagram account. Go ahead and give me a follow at EYVO_auto for enhancing your vehicle ownership. There I post sneak peeks of upcoming videos, projects, and anything going on in my life automotive related, like the safety recall information. I had to make a video on this. This is just something cool, and I can't remember who it was. Somebody called it, I'll give you a shout out on my Instagram story, but somebody called it that this was the safety recall information that I would be receiving, and they're not, they don't live in the US, so I don't know if other countries send out safety recall letters like this, but you were right, it was the airbags. My airbag light is on. Of course, I think it was from the accident, but you know, there's a lot of things wrong with my 99 Audi A8. I still love daily driving this car. I don't know if you guys believe me. I daily drive this 21-year-old, very broken down Audi. Yes, I have the FX4. I love the truck. Trying not to put so many miles on it. This car has less miles on it. It drives really nice. It's got a great sound system, and it's something that I don't really care if I beat up a little bit. If I bebop around in the woods or out skiing or on construction sites where I work. It's just fun. It's super fun to drive. I talked about my 3 options that I have with this car in my last video, so go check it out. Pretty much I just talked about me either getting rid of it, getting something else that I'd like, maybe going back to a Saab or trying a Mercedes, or finally giving into my wife's request for a nice Honda or a Toyota. But there's lots of options with this car. I mean, I want to fix it up a little bit more. I'm going to keep fixing it today. I'm going to replace this window, like I said. And stay tuned for more content on the A8. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you can get out and enjoy your summer here very, very soon. Things are starting to open back up here in Idaho. Again, I hope you guys are doing great, and I will catch you in the next video.